1. Which of the following events will not cause a DML trigger on table to be activated? Select one or more. A. A select operation. B. A delete operation. C. An insert operation. D. An update operation. E. An alter table operation. Data manipulation language. The events that will not cause a DML trigger on a table to be activated are A. A select operation. E. An alter table operation. Two, consider the schema given below. Suppliers, parts, catalog. Display all the details of the suppliers who supplied parts with motor parts in the name. Select one or more. A. Select S from supplier S, catalog C, parts P where S.SID equals C.SID, and P.PID equals C.PID, and name equals motor parts. B. Select S.SID and P.PID equals C.PID from supplier S, catalog C, parts P where S.SID equals C.SID, S.name, S.address, and name equals motor parts. C. Select S.SID and P.PID equals C.PID from supplier S, catalog C, parts P where S.SID equals C.SID, S.name, S.address, and P.PID equals C.PID, and name equals motor parts. D. Select S from supplier S, catalog C, parts P where SID equals C.SID, and P.PID equals C.PID, and name equals motor parts. E. Select S.SID, S.name, S.address, and P.PID equals C.PID from supplier S, catalog C, parts P where S.SID equals C.SID, and P.PID equals C.PID, and name like percent motor parts percent. Three, consider the relation are below. The functional dependencies are QRPST, SQ, find the key. Type your answer here. For every dense index is an unclustered index, while every sparse index is a clustered index. Select one. True, false. Five, consider the schema given below. EMP, works, department. Display the names and the department ID of the employees whose names start with G. Select one or more. A. Select E.name W.did. From EMP works W, where E.ed equals W to ed, and E.name like G%. B. Select E.name W.did. From EMP works W, where E.ed equals W to ed, and E.name equals G%. C. Select E.name W.did. From EMP works W, where E.name like G%. D. Select EMP.name works.did. From EMP works W. Six. Suppose relation R has the following functional dependencies: 8-B, B-C, BC-A, 8-D, E-A, D-E, which of the following IS are keys. Select one or more: AD, BBC, CC, DE, E, all of the above. Seven. Consider the schema given below. Sailors, boats, reserves. Who are the sailors sail on February 20th, 2021? Select one. A. Select S. Name. From sailors S. Reserve R. Where S.sid equals R.sid and R.date equals February 20th, 2021. B. Selects name. From sailors, reserves, where sid equals sid and day equals February 20th, 2021. C. Select S. Name. From sailors S. Reserve R. Where S.sid equals R.sid and R.date equals February 20th, 2021. D. Select S. Name. From sailors S. Reserve R. Where S.sid equals R.sid. E. None of the above. Eight. Select the correct statement. Select one or more. We can create only one unclustered index per table. Performance of N is not similar. Cost of retrieving records from an unclustered index is less costly. Search key in the index is always the same as the primary key. Sparse index points to slots in the database file. Nine. Select the incorrect statement. Select one or more. A. Indexes slow down inserting records. B. Indexes improve performance of database modification operations. C. Indexes help us to manage the storage space. D. Indexes result in data duplication. E. We can create many indexes for a given table. Ten. Consider the given schema. Sailors, boats, reserves. Display the names of the sailors who are below 50 years of age in the ascending order of their. Select one or more. A. Selects name from sailors where age less than 50 order by age ASC. B. Selects name from sailors having age less than 50 order by age ASC. C. Selects name from sailors where age less than 50 order by age desk. D. Selects name from sailors where age less than 50 order by age. E. Selects name from sailors where age less than 50 order by age desk.